its luminous gaze, twin lanterns in the void, fixates on the glare of machinery, unflinching at this sudden rupture of its eternal night. Here, in a realm unchanged by eons, survival is shaped by ancient laws we dare not name. Life persists unseen, carving itself into forms that defy reason, forged in the crucible of the deep, tempered by cold that sears like flame. What other spectres haunt these shadowed trenches? What truths pulse in the dark, unbound by the sun's memory? With every descent, the abyss whispers a warning. Its mysteries are not surrendered. They are torn, fragment by jagged fragment, from the clutches of the unfathomable.